everyone, this is BOISTEANU, and just now we're gonna unbox monitor cover for my iMac, because I'm looking to buy a iMac 27-inch. For me this is a very good investment, and meanwhile I need to do all preparations in order to buy the protective items. So this will be the monitor cover, and I want to share the experience with you. So let's see what's inside. So as you can see, we have a kwmobile for smart electronics, right? So let's open. So basically this is the cover. So this is the cover for my iMac 2020 5K. So as you can see, we have a global map here. Let's see what is behind. Yeah, so as you can see, we have this stuff. So the reason why I'm not covering my iMac back is just because of heat, because through back it goes the heat, and it's good to not overheat your iMac, as you know. Yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. So as you can see, is a really nice protection. So feels nice, high quality, arrived from Germany. Yeah, I'm very happy. Right, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.